Once, Gautama Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think you become." In the heart of these words lies the essence of the Eightfold Path, a profound guide designed to cultivate the mind and spirit towards enlightenment and peace. Now you might wonder, what if you could transform your life by aligning your thoughts and actions with this ancient wisdom? What if the path could lead you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you? The Eightfold Path begins with right understanding and right intention. These steps are not merely about intellectual knowledge. They are about seeing the world as it truly is, free from the distortions of our desires and aversions. It is about setting your heart in the right direction, towards compassion and away from harm. In our journey today, we explore this path not just as an ancient doctrine, but as a living practice that can bring real change to our lives and the lives of others around us. Let us walk this path together, with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the wisdom that once transformed the heart of Siddhartha Gautama beneath the Bodhi tree. Understanding the Eightfold Path. As we continue on the Eightfold Path, we turn our focus to ethical conduct, comprising right speech, right action, and right livelihood. This segment of the path invites us to speak truthfully and kindly, to act with compassion and refrain from harming others, and to earn a living that does not cause suffering. Consider the power of words. Right speech is not merely about avoiding falsehood, but about using our voice to heal, to build up, rather than break down. What if your words could be a source of comfort and encouragement to others? Right action extends this concept to our deeds. It encourages us to live conscientiously, making choices that promote harmony and well-being. And in choosing our livelihood, we are guided to consider how our work impacts others. What if your profession could contribute to the welfare of your community? These practices are not constraints, but opportunities to forge a meaningful, compassionate existence that echoes the wisdom of ancient teachings in our daily lives. The path's three essential divisions. The Eightfold Path unfolds into three essential divisions, each serving as pillars that support a life of wisdom and balance. Wisdom, prajna. The journey begins with wisdom, which consists of right understanding and right intention. Right understanding asks us to see the world clearly as it truly is, without the distortions of our personal biases and desires. It is about comprehending the impermanent and interconnected nature of reality. Right intention follows, guiding us to cultivate thoughts of generosity, love and compassion, steering away from ill will and greed. What if your mind could always be a wellspring of positive energy? Ethical conduct, esala. Ethical conduct is built on the foundation of right speech, right action and right livelihood. It invites us to use our words for kindness and truth, our actions to support and nurture, and our professional lives to contribute positively without causing harm. Imagine how the world would change if everyone chose such a path. Mental discipline, samadhi. The last division, mental discipline, encompasses right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Right effort encourages us to continuously cultivate good qualities and abandon unwholesome ones. Right mindfulness involves an acute awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and sensations, living fully in each moment. Right concentration is about developing deep focus, particularly through meditation, which allows us to maintain mental clarity and calm in all situations. Practical applications of the Eightfold Path. You might now be wondering how to integrate the Eightfold Path into your daily life. It begins with small, conscious decisions. Choose to speak with kindness and truthfulness, reflecting the principle of right speech. When faced with decisions, big or small, align your actions with compassion and non-harm, embodying right action. Consider your profession. Does it support well-being and harmony? Aligning your work with right livelihood can transform not just your life, but also contribute positively to those around you. Engage in regular meditation to strengthen right concentration, and practice mindfulness to enhance your awareness in every moment, fulfilling the principles of right mindfulness and right effort. What if each day you could live more intentionally, aligning more closely with these timeless teachings? Each step on this path deepens your journey towards a fulfilled and peaceful life. Benefits of following the Eightfold Path. By embracing the Eightfold Path, you embark on a transformative journey that enhances both personal peace and societal harmony. Each aspect of the path offers unique benefits. Imagine the clarity and peace that come from right understanding and right intention, seeing the world accurately and maintaining a mindset of kindness and generosity. Practicing right speech, right action, and right livelihood improves your interactions and relationships, fostering a community of trust and mutual respect. What if your everyday choices could inspire others towards compassion and integrity? Lastly, the mental discipline from right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration deepens your mental resilience, allowing you to remain balanced and focused amidst life's challenges. This inner strength radiates outward, influencing those around you positively. What if your journey through these practices not only changed you, but also the world around you, one step at a time? Engaging deeply with the Eightfold Path is not just a personal commitment, it's a gift to everyone you encounter. As you reflect on the teachings of the Eightfold Path, remember that this journey is both personal and universal. Each step you take not only leads you closer to peace, but also contributes to the well-being of the world. What if your continued practice could inspire change beyond your immediate surroundings? Don't forget, if you found wisdom in today's exploration, like, share, and subscribe to continue receiving insightful content like this. Together, let's spread the seeds of compassion and understanding. Your engagement helps others discover these life-changing teachings. Thank you for walking this path with us.